It's creamy, it's delicious, and it's loved worldwide. Philadelphia cream cheese is a staple in kitchens everywhere. But did you know its origins go back over 150 years? Or that it wasn't even created in Philadelphia? Join us as we uncover the fascinating history of Philadelphia cream cheese and take a peek into how this iconic spread is made today. Our story begins in 1872 in Chester, New York. William Lawrence, a skilled dairyman, was trying to recreate Neufchâtel cheese, a tangy and crumbly French cheese popular at the time. But in a twist of fate, Lawrence added a bit too much cream, resulting in a rich, smooth, and spreadable cheese. It was unlike anything on the market, and people loved it. Fast forward to 1880, Lawrence teamed up with a New York cheese distributor, Alva Reynolds. Together, they marketed the cheese as Philadelphia cream cheese, capitalizing on Philadelphia's reputation for high-quality dairy products. By branding it with the Philadelphia name, they created an association with excellence that resonated with customers. That's a reason why Philadelphia cream cheese isn't from Philadelphia. After that, Alva Reynolds sold the brand to the Phoenix Cheese Company in 1903. With modern technology and mass production, cream cheese was no longer considered a luxury, but a common food item. In 1928, Phoenix Cheese Company merged with Kraft Foods, and now Kraft Heinz, focusing on the product as an essential party appetizer and healthy snack for children, becoming a familiar name in households across the country in the 20th century. Philadelphia cream cheese didn't just stop at American breakfast tables. It became a worldwide sensation. Today, it's the most popular cream cheese brand globally. From creamy cheesecakes to sushi rolls, its versatility has made it a favorite ingredient in countless recipes. But the brand hasn't been without controversy. In 2019, a UK ad was banned under new rules forbidding gender stereotyping. Despite the hiccup, Philadelphia cream cheese remains beloved around the world. Each year, the people of Lowell, New York celebrates Philadelphia cream cheese with events like games, bands, and recipe contests. In 2017, they set a Guinness World Record with a 6,900-pound cheesecake serving over 24,000 people. The festival highlights the cheese's nationwide popularity and rich history. Today, Philadelphia cream cheese is mass-produced in facilities owned by Kraft Heinz across the United States, such as in California, Illinois, and Pennsylvania, as well as in international locations such as Australia and Canada. The entire process from farm to creamery takes just 6 days to create perfection. From the original brick to the whipped cream cheese spread, each product has a story, and it all begins with fresh milk. Philadelphia cream cheese starts with a simple yet crucial ingredient: high-quality fresh milk. The milk is sourced from dairy farms and combined with real cream to create the signature richness. But not all Philadelphia cream cheese products are the same. While the classic brick version uses just 5 ingredients, the whipped variety includes additional elements like carob bean gum and whey for that light, spreadable texture. These differences in ingredients play a big role in the production process. Let's explore how it all comes together. The process begins in massive stainless steel tanks where milk and cream are pasteurized. It's heated for 20 seconds at 73 degrees. This ensures that any harmful bacteria are eliminated, creating a safe and consistent base. Next comes homogenization. This step evenly blends the fat particles, giving the cream cheese its smooth texture. Afterward, cultures are added to the mixture, kicking off the fermentation process. This fermentation is what gives Philadelphia cream cheese its iconic tangy flavor. The mixture is then allowed to thicken, transforming into what's known as curds. After thickening, the curds are separated from whey, leaving behind a rich, creamy base that's almost ready to become cream cheese. The curds are blended at high speeds to achieve that signature silky texture. For whipped varieties, air is incorporated into the mixture to make it lighter and fluffier. Depending on the product, ingredients like carob bean gum are added here to stabilize the texture, and preservatives are introduced to extend shelf life. Salt is added at this stage to enhance flavor and act as a natural preservative. Now it's time for the most exciting part, packaging. Once the cream cheese reaches its perfect consistency, it's sent to automated lines where it's packaged in iconic foil, wrapped bricks, or convenient tubs for spreads. Quality control is crucial at every step. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Philadelphia cream cheese's high standards. Samples are checked for texture, flavor, and consistency to guarantee that every bite of Philadelphia cream cheese is as good as the last. After packaging, the cream cheese is shipped to grocery stores across the country, ready to find its place in your fridge. But the journey doesn't end there. This cheese is not used just for spreading on bagels or as a cheesecake ingredient. You can also use it as an ingredient in cookies, cupcakes, mashed potatoes, dips, stuffed in danishes, as frosting, and as a thickener for meat and pasta sauces. Overall, it can be used in many breakfast, lunch, or dinner recipes. In addition, Philadelphia cream cheese has also become an indispensable ingredient in the recipes of famous cake brands such as Junior's Cheesecake or the Cheesecake Factory. Its rich, smooth texture and tangy flavor make it a key component in creating the signature taste of their iconic desserts. Today, the brand actually offers several different flavors and textures to choose from, including savory, fruity,
lower salt, lower fat, double protein, smooth, or whipped.
From its humble beginnings in New York to becoming a global icon, Philadelphia cream cheese has a rich history and remains a culinary staple. Whether you're spreading it on a bagel or whipping up a cheesecake, there's no denying the magic of this creamy delight. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more food history content, and let us know in the comments your favorite way to use Philadelphia cream cheese.